Guys, you only need one bull market to get rich and change your financial futures. You only need one bull market. Learn the setups, learn what moves markets, learn what how stocks move, learn what moves stocks. You know, memorize the patterns, and you only need one bull market to change your finances forever. And now I'm just talking about this specific like breakout and earning strategy. There are obviously other strategies I use too, but right now I don't have any shorts on or any mean reversion trades on. So how do you trade, Uncle Cheesy? That's why you sell some into strength. Then you don't have to worry about the pullback. Like for example, PDD looked scary when it you know, it was straight up. It was far above both the 10 and 20-day moving averages. It looked really scary. I'm like, oh, but you know, I had sold some, and I knew like, okay, I'm gonna wait for the close below the 10-day before I sell, you know, big chunk of my position, and then I'm gonna wait for the close below the 20-day to sell all. And look what it did. It undercut the 10. It actually closed at the 10-day. I did size down some just to be safe. And you know, it's straight up since. Same thing with SC. It looked very scary several times. Like here on this day, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna give back all my profits, but nope. It just bounced off the 10-day and went straight up. And now it looks scary again, right? It looks like a reversal day. And you know, one of these days it's gonna top out, right? One of these, there will be a day that comes like, oh, I should have sold it all. But that day could come at 150. So that's one of the things I learned when I studied stocks. You know, no matter how high a stock has gone, as long as it's you know, above the 10-day, it can still go much higher. And that I got that lesson I learned several times on like Tilray. This thing went up several thousand, like 1,000% in a month. You know, just above the 10-day all the time. TVIX, this is not a stock, but it's the same principle. Above the 10-day all the time. Beyond Meat, a couple of years ago. It's not below the 10-day. I meant above the 10-day. You know, it's a 10. The strongest stocks, they surf the 10 and the 20-day moving averages. Tesla, another one. Above the 10-day this whole time. Look at this, above the 10-day. It bounced off the 10-day every single time. So the 10 and 20-day, those are the main moving averages if you trade these fastest moving momentum stocks. And the super fast moving, you gotta be even faster, but so there's always variations of every setup. Anyways, poker face. That's what you have to do to get your returns from decent double digits to triple digits. You need to spend a lot of hours on you. What would you recommend as a minimum workable account size for my swing strategy? If you want to make a living, probably 500K at least, or 300K. Like if you're only gonna swing trade. But if you like do you know, work part-time or work full-time and trade part-time, and you don't need to trade for, you know, take out money from your trading accounts, you could do it with, you know, 10K. Because, you know, if you double your 10K every year, like you double it on year one, like after taxes, you're gonna have 20K the next. You're gonna have 40K the year after, 80K, 160, 320. You know, even with like a small 10K account, you're gonna have millions after 6-7 years once you get profitable, assuming you don't put more money in it, right? So But if you're gonna live off of it, you probably need at least 500k. Because with my strategy, you're gonna go sideways. Your equity is gonna go sideways for months and months at a time every year. Like the markets we are in right now, that's, you know, it's a rare market. That doesn't happen most of the time. It's almost too easy right now, you know? It's almost too easy. Like everything just keeps going straight up. It's like the best time for my type of swing trading strategy right now. But most of the time it's gonna be a struggle. Hey guys, you wanna see P&L? Do you want me to jinx the markets? Yes? Do it? Yeah! Ah, David, don't jinx it. Okay, it's 2-4-2 against. Okay, I need more votes. Come on. I need more yes votes. Yeah. No, yeah. Yeah, okay. There are more yeses than nos. Okay, this is from pre-market. Like, this is the state of my accounts right now. Then I have also a third account that is very small. I'm not gonna show it here. It's like insanely small. This is where we are at right now. Like yesterday, I was up 700k and I did one trade, right? Just by sitting in a bunch of trades that kept going up. This is when you have a great portfolio in a great market. They just keep going up, and you just have to manage, you know, sell some and trail the rest. And on Tuesday I was up like 500k, and Monday too. Like it's insane. Like I've been saying it for a while. This market is like the, you know, I don't know. I've never seen this good of a market. Yes, I use some margin, not as much as I used to before, but I use some.